Looking to make everyday tasks easier? Today, we'll show you some of the best Amazon household gadgets that streamline cooking, simplify cleaning, and keep your home perfectly organized. All links in description below. Tired of chasing that last line of dirt with a dustpan? The iVac makes cleaning fast, powerful, and hassle-free. Its infrared sensors instantly activate the 1,000-watt vacuum to remove 100% of dust, hair, and debris, perfect for busy pet owners and parents. Plus, high-efficiency filters ensure cleaner air, while touchless operation means no more bending down. A smarter, easier way to keep your home spotless. Enjoy perfectly toasted hot dogs and buns with this hot dog toaster. It can handle up to 2 hot dogs and buns at once, with adjustable settings to get them just the way you like. The included mini tongs and hot dog cage keep things safe, while the easy-to-clean drip tray and convenient cord wrap ensure effortless maintenance and storage. Simplify your security with this smart door knob, featuring 3-in-1 unlocking methods, fingerprint, app control, and backup keys. It offers seamless, keyless entry. With modes for security, passage, and entrance, as well as a built-in rechargeable battery lasting up to 8 months, this doorknob combines convenience, reliability, and advanced safety features. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves with these premium acrylic shelf dividers. Measuring 11.8 inches by 11 inches and made from durable, crystal-clear acrylic, they are lightweight, stylish, and built to last. With a clipless, stick-on design and included nanotape, they're easy to install, keep everything neatly organized, and give your space a modern, streamlined look. This stunning tall display shelf combines a premium dimmable LED floor lamp with stylish storage, featuring fully dimmable LEDs, adjustable color temperatures from warm to cool, and a sleek glass design. It's perfect for showcasing collectibles and lighting your space in one elegant solution. With app and remote control options, plus an on-off memory timer, it provides effortless customization and convenience. Take the hassle out of dumpling making with this automatic dumpling maker set. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it allows you to effortlessly create 2 perfectly shaped dumplings at once. Whether you're preparing empanadas, samosas, or ravioli, this user-friendly tool cuts your prep time in half while ensuring professional-looking results every time. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this rotary cheese grater. Its 3 interchangeable blades make slicing, shredding, and grinding a breeze, while the suction base keeps it securely in place. Safe, easy to clean, and built with food-grade materials, this tool brings fresh, perfectly grated cheese to your recipes in seconds. Streamline your kitchen with this 17-piece cookware set. With stackable pans, removable handles, and granite non-stick coating, it offers compact storage, easy handling, and healthy cooking. Compatible with all stoves and dishwasher safe, this set makes meal prep and cleanup a breeze. This adjustable measuring spoon streamlines cooking and baking. With a simple sliding handle, it quickly measures both wet and dry ingredients, offering precise readings from 1 milliliter to 15 milliliters. Easy to dismantle and dishwasher safe, it's a versatile tool that simplifies meal prep and cleanup. This 4-in-1 colander set offers versatility and convenience for your kitchen tasks. With a stainless steel colander, a non-slip fruit bowl, and interchangeable grater attachments, it's perfect for rinsing, straining, and prepping food. Designed with sturdy materials, an ergonomic handle, and easy cleaning in mind, it's a must-have for simplifying your cooking routine. Maximize cabinet space with this under-shelf basket organizer. With adjustable arms, no assembly needed, and a stable anti-tilt design, it's perfect for creating extra storage. Large capacity and flexible height adjustments make it ideal for neatly storing kitchen items like towels, plates, or snacks. Simplify your kitchen tasks with this over-the-sink colander strainer basket. Its adjustable design expands to fit most sinks, making it easy to rinse fruits and veggies, drain pasta, or air-dry utensils and plates. Durable, BPA-free, and heat-resistant, this versatile colander is a convenient and modern kitchen essential. Keep your fridge tidy. And your drinks within reach with this soda can organizer and dispenser. Its stackable design and clear construction make it easy to maximize space and quickly find what you need. Perfect for both refrigerators and pantries, it offers durable, BPA-free convenience to streamline your kitchen organization.